Hi, I'm Annie with the Kinderready program, and this video is the first topic in the Parent Talk program by Chick Moorman. Again, this is just an introduction to his books and workshops, so hopefully as time allows you will be able to take advantage of those as well. The first topic we're going to cover is choices, and this is important because when we make choices and have choices in our life, we feel empowered. And so by giving your children choices, you are showing them that their opinion matters to you, so they feel valued. And they also begin to feel that they have some power and some control over their lives. And especially for young children, there's so little that they do have control over, and appropriately. But so the areas that they can have some choices and make some decisions is really important. Also, we aren't magically one day know how to make good decisions when we all at once turn to be 18. The only way we know how to make good decisions when we turn 18 is from having had a lot of previous experience making good and bad choices in the previous 18 years. So starting when they're very young, giving them some choices helps them learn that they do have some choices to make in their lives, and they get to understand the consequences of those decisions bit by bit. So the first one we are going to talk about is controlled choice. And this is important because just as we want our children to have some choice and feel empowered, as parents, we also need to feel empowered and feel that we have some choices. And so by giving children controlled choices, we as parents keep the control of what choices are offered. So, for example, I don't say to my children, "What would you like for breakfast?" Opening up the door for them to say ice cream, chocolate cake, and all those other wonderful fun things. I would say instead, "Do you want oatmeal or a frozen waffle this morning?" And they might say, "Ice cream." And you would say, "No, the choices are oatmeal or a frozen waffle." And you just kind of keep repeating the choices in a very calm voice until they make their choice. So some of the other things you can do with choice are to ask them, "Do you want to wear your red shirt or your blue shirt today? Do you want to wear your jeans or your khakis today?" And you make those choices as are appropriate. You don't let them wear their swimming suit in December in Wisconsin. That's not an option. So you are still in control of those choices. Do you want to have milk or juice with your meal? Would you like to have an apple or an orange? Do you want me to peel your apple or do you want to eat it this way? There are many, many choices you can offer your children. Sometimes it can be a choice of time. Do you want to do your homework now or in a half an hour? Maybe their favorite TV show is on now, or maybe something is happening and they want to continue doing it, but they'll be happy to do their homework later. The choice is not, do you want to play or do you want to do your homework? Homework has to get done. That has to be included. But do you want to play for half an hour and then do your homework? Or do you want to do your homework and then play later? So the order of things can make a difference for children. And sometimes just having that choice takes no off the table. So instead of saying brush your teeth, then their option is brush their teeth or not brush their teeth. And so if they want to be independent and they know you want them to brush their teeth, then they're going to say no. If you say, "Do you want to brush your teeth or put your pajamas on first?" Then all at once they're thinking about pajamas and brushing teeth. And then they have two things already in their head and they can pick which one of those they're going to do first. It's not a choice that they get to not do one of them. It's just which one are they going to do first. So I hope you find many opportunities for providing choices for your children that are appropriate for them, and see how it goes over the next day or so, and then you'll be ready for the next portion of the topic of choices.